I think the reason that this one gets shared so much is just because it's relatable. So when you're making your memes, just like with any type of comedy, try to make it something that's relatable. The more relatable it is to more people, the more likely they'll be to share it.
This is episode 61 of the Arts Academy podcast, How to Make a Good Meme, hosted by Victor Varnado and Roxxy Haze.
Everybody, it's Deputy Headmistress Roxxy Haze here with Dean Victor Varnado, and welcome to Arts Academy podcast, brought to you by the New York Arts Academy, where we teach you everything we can about arts and entertainment. And so today we're going to be talking about a topic that actually was requested, which is how to make a good meme. So first I'm going to read the definition of a meme, because I never knew exactly what the word meme meant, but it says it's an amusing or interesting item, such as a caption, picture, or video, or genre of items that is spread widely online, especially through social media. So basically all it is a picture or anything that gets spread. So the main question is, how do you get your meme to spread? I am a person that has gotten many memes to spread across online. I've got them like reposted by celebrities. I've gotten like in BuzzFeed, VH1, all that kind of stuff online from my memes by doing these things. So the first thing you want to do is get on Twitter. So like Twitter is the best place to get stuff to spread really quickly, just because of how Twitter is set up. So on Twitter, you retweet. So once you retweet, it instantly goes to on that person's page. It's on their actual page, and it shows to everybody that follows that person. The cool thing about Twitter versus like Instagram and Facebook is how their algorithms work. So they don't like suppress tweets. I mean, they do if you're saying some crazy like racist stuff, they will. But just like as soon as you press retweet, all of your followers see it, and it goes to the top of everybody's page. So it's just easier for people to see your stuff.
I didn't know that. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's really dope. I love Twitter. So that is one of my favorite places to post memes. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll just make a funny tweet, and I'll get a picture, some kind of picture that I feel like illustrates that tweet that I did, and I'll screenshot that and share it across my social media. Now that tweet is a meme. And I do it for my Twitter because I'll keep my name and my picture on it. So sometimes people will crop it out. I don't do the like putting my tag across the picture, but for the most part, people are pretty lazy now. Just save it. So that means if somebody posted on other social media,
I would say your last sentence
so
again. You broke up. Can you say your last sentence again?
Oh, broke up.
When you said for the most part, people are pretty lazy, and then you went on.
It just sounds like I'm just insulting lazy people. For the most part, people are lazy, so they won't really crop out the name anymore. And people have just gotten on people about like not giving people credit. So people are kind of more cautious of that. So they just save the picture and save it. So now I'm on other people's pages because they saved my meme. So let me show y'all an example of some memes. I just typed my name in and meme, and a whole lot of stuff that I wrote came up. So let me go back here because how my screen's set up. Can y'all see it? Okay. So this was just a response tweet to something somebody else had said. It was just talking about my daughter, talking about my wigs. And this has been, I think I did this like in 2018, and it's still getting shared on other people's pages. I think the reason that this one gets shared so much is just because it's relatable. So when you're making your memes, just like with any type of comedy, try to make it something that's relatable. The more relatable it is to more people, the more likely they'll be to share it. Another thing I like to do is when I see funny pictures online, I save them in my phone. So I have over like 2,000 pictures in my phone of just like funny random stuff. So it was a picture that I saw of Kirby with this hat on and these boots. I was like, this is really funny. He looks like he's going to brunch. He looks like all these chicks I know that's going to brunch. And so once again, I made the tweet. I posted the picture, screenshotted it, and shared it across my social media. And now this is on multiple pages. One more thing is when you see like hashtags or like you see collectively people are joking on Twitter. So an example would be like when that fly was on Mike Pence's head, right? A lot of people there were so many memes about it. So like when you see stuff like that, especially like something political or something that's just happening culturally, like make a meme about it, which is once again, you just get a picture, and you could tweet and screenshot it, and there's your meme. So this one I did, and this is one I did years ago. It was talking about meme history. So this one was about, like, what is this? When your homie pulls up with gold and all you brought was frankincense. And I know everybody loves The Office, so this was once again something that's relatable because it was pertaining to a story everybody knows. Everybody knows the story at Christmas. And then I used The Office, which is a show that a lot of people watch. So both of those combined make for a really good meme. And then I posted it. So that's if you're doing.
You got picked as one of the 35 greatest memes by somebody.
Yeah, which is, I didn't even know that. And it wasn't in 2009 either, so I don't know.
That's amazing.
Yeah, which is, and like, I'll just be clicking around, and my memes would just be places. So like, I did this about Good Morning America when they called Kermit the Tea Lizard, and I've seen this meme on like 80 different things. So one thing you want to do is, like I said, when everybody's talking about something, you talk about it, and that's when you use hashtags. So these memes, the one that says meme history and the one that was Tea Lizard, they were really trending hashtags. So I used those hashtags, which made it easier for people to see it. And yeah, there we go. The second way to do memes is this right here, where it's just a picture with font over it. And you can just do that in Canva, or you can do that in any type Photoshop. Another way you can do it, which is really easy, is to do it in Instagram. So sometimes what I'll do if I'm lazy is I'll just like take a picture, bring it to my Instagram story. I can actually pull this out. Bring it to my Instagram story and just type the text in there and then save it. And now I have a meme.
That's great.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like,
I have a favorite app for making memes. It's called Comic. Hold on, let me look at it. I'm sorry. Hold on one second. Oh, it's called Pixay. Picsay. It is on the. It's an Android thing. It does like lettering, but also it has just like a lot of stickers you can put on stuff. It also has like adjustable cartoon, like cartoon dialogue balloons and things like that, and arrows. Yeah. In fact, when you just did your meme search for yourself, I did search for me, Victor Varnado meme, and then one of the images that came up was one of the things that I made that.
And the other cool thing is, like, if you get your memes to spread, and let's say you're an entertainer, you can use those as credits because they're using your content. So like, I'm a content creator. That's my content. So technically my content has been on Good Morning America, Billboard, VH1, blah, 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 because that's my content.
True. Yeah. I mean, I would say that was a stretch.
Yeah. Well, I say online, like my digital content has been shared.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not like, yeah, I was on Billboard. No, I'm like, this has been shared on, my content has been featured on these. Because the cool thing is, like, when they do put you on those articles and stuff, they'll put your name and your Twitter handle. So I've also gotten followers from those memes being shared like that.
Oh, that's great. That's fantastic. I will. What was that?
Something fell. That's what happens when you have kids and dogs. When I
was thinking about like what really makes something shareable, because you think about this a lot, especially when I'm doing like political cartoons or social cartoons. What really makes something shareable for me? Actually, it's for anybody. I'm being modest. This is a thing that I actually believe in, and I think it's 100% true. What makes something shareable is if you can say what other people are thinking in a succinct way, that's becomes super shareable. If they look at your thing and go, "Oh yeah, that's exactly what I want to say to my friends," that's what's shareable. So if everybody's talking about, if everybody's talking about Trump won't admit that he lost the race, and then you come up with something that just makes it perfect, that says it perfectly, then everyone will start sharing that, because
I was about to share one I did.
That's the whole goal about that. Yeah, go ahead.
This is one that I see all the time, and I'm actually going to redo this meme for COVID, but it was about, like, because everybody goes to work, and it's about like coworkers when they try to shake your hand, but you didn't hear them wash their hands. I'm like, yeah, that's something that's relatable to everybody, and that everybody can, what's the word? Relate to. I said relate to like 8 times, but that's what it is.
Well, I mean, that's true though. It is like a common experience. Like anything that illustrates what everyone out there is going through is something that is memeable or shareable. So
And
definitely, like if everybody agrees it's a shared experience, and then you say it in a specific way or succinct way, people are going to share that. Not kidding.
And
They'll
also,
definitely do it.
if you have a business too, make memes for your business. Like, so I was working for this real estate company, and we would make memes about home stuff, like when you're buying a house, and they were corny, but they look cool on the page because they were relatable to people that were coming to the page looking to buy homes. So even if you're not necessarily a comedian and you have a business, memes are still something that you can utilize within your business, and it just once again makes you relatable. And to that other point with the Pixay thing and the font, the common font that you see on there, that's impact font. White impact font with a black stroke around it, for anybody that was wondering like what that text is, if you're trying to make it that like official meme font.
Oh, that's the most common. That's the most common version.
Yeah,
impact font
with a black stroke. Just in case you were wondering. And that's pretty much it. Like, if just to recap, make it relatable, find pictures and save them, and then use them later. Utilize Twitter because it gives you that kind of meme font format. Also, just see what else is trending and see how you can play on that. And if you have a business, just use memes with your business, relatable to your business, because it just gives you, once again, that relatability factor.
I'm gonna try some of the meme format like that you just suggested, because usually I'll write something funny on Twitter, but I don't like you work the social media angle very well, and I don't do it that much, and I probably should do it more.
Yeah, it would just help your stuff spread, because that's what it's all about. And because you draw too, like you can make your own memes with your drawings, like, adding not just in the comic format, but like drawing a picture and then doing the caption in the text. Great presentation on memes. Thanks, man. That makes me feel good.
Oh, what did you think about the presentations on table reads?
He's like, I wasn't here for that part of class. I came for the memes.
Nice. Nice. We didn't hear your table read.
Good to see y'all today. Wanda was here. That's good.
Oh, Wanda, welcome back. Welcome back, Wanda.
Hey, Wanda, we ain't seen you. But and it's not just pictures; it's also videos and other stuff. Leslie's here. Yeah, everybody's coming now when we're on.
And you know who else is here? Bane. Your pal Bane is here.
Mom, so ugly.
Since we're winding down, so if you have any questions, then put out your questions right now. If you have any questions about this particular subject, but while that is happening, I would like to tell you all that recently I found one of my favorite comedy videos online. It's called Bane Outtakes by this group called the Oral Knots. They're these musicians and sound designers who like just look up Bane Outtakes. It's an older video. It's so funny. You'll really enjoy it. It's they just redubbed The Dark Knight, all of Bane's scenes in The Dark Knight, and they're hilarious.
And that's actually kind of helpful too. So like sometimes what you can do, like when I was saying you can use videos from stuff like that. Just take a clip from it and then just think of a funny caption, and then there's a meme right there. So stuff like that you can use as meme. Wanda's seen it. And Steven said he only caught the last part of the table read. That was good too. So he did enjoy that episode. He was late walking his dog through the puddles.
Yeah, I don't want to hear about those excuses. Excuses don't mean nothing to me. Nothing. I'm from the streets. Anyway, what? I lived on Eastbrook. What did you say?
I said A Street. No, what streets? What's Eastbrook? I'm gonna Google
Eastbrook. That's a street in Huntsville, Alabama.
Oh yeah.
I grew up on what's your problem with Alabama? What? Why do you everything?
I gotta stop ughing.
Yeah.
Alabama, so scary.
All right. So it looks like there aren't any questions.
No questions? Yay.
And before Roxy has more time to hate on anywhere that I grew up at, we are going to wrap this up. You can find us at artsacademypodcast.com and at Alt Arts Academy on all social media. Please become part of our Facebook group so that we can give you free workshops every 2 weeks that are way more in depth than these podcasts, but they're great. Also ask us questions on social media because we'll make episodes of this show about things that you ask questions about. So go to the group, ask whatever questions you want to ask, and then we will make an episode about it. We actually do that. We have a running list of things that people have asked questions about, and then we make episodes about them. People ask questions about memes. People ask questions about a table read. These are those episodes. So please ask your questions as well. Thanks a lot for hanging out.
We have a question. Free workshop. Yes, we actually have one Saturday, November 14th, which is this Saturday for the live episode, and this past Saturday for when you're watching it on Monday. In order to join, I actually just linked it right above your comment. You go to facebook.com/group/Arts Academy Students, which is our study group, and you have access to those free workshops. And they are 60-minute workshops. They're really in depth. We have resources for you, all that kind of stuff. So please head over there and join the group.
Absolutely true, Brandon. And for Brandon and everybody else who's watching, those free workshops, all you have to do is become part of the group, which is the New York Alt Arts Academy private group. Well, it's not private, but it is a group that you can only see what's inside when you join. And if you join that group, then you get access to the free classes. And if you want a free workshop on any particular subject, just ask in the group and maybe we'll do it. At the very least, we'll do a podcast episode about it.
Yeah.
All right? Yeah.
Brandon's gonna, what is that word? Devil?
We'll delve further. Delve.
I taught English.
Really?
Yeah. It's these glasses, they're dirty. Let's say that's what happened. Add your creative friends as well. Yes, thank you, Wanda. Yeah, if you have friends, it's not just for you. Don't be selfish with information. If you have friends that this would help as well, add them to the group. We just hit over 200 members, so yay! So join
right on. Let everybody know. And also, I am going to stop this transmission. Thanks, everybody, for checking out the live stream. We'll see you another time.
Y'all have a great day, too.
Yeah, have a great day. Bye-bye.